Another day, another video of first aid by Healthcare supplies. Healthcare supplies refer to the various products, tools, and equipment used by healthcare professionals to provide medical care to patients. These supplies can include everything from bandages and syringes to surgical instruments and diagnostic equipment. Examples of healthcare supplies include personal protective equipment, PPE. Personal protective equipment, PPE, is one of the most important tools of healthcare supplies in the fight against the spread of disease. PPE is used to protect both patients and healthcare workers from the spread of infectious diseases. PPE includes items such as face masks, face shields, gowns, gloves, and goggles. It is important to use the appropriate PPE when working with patients in order to provide the highest level of safety and protection. PPE can also be used in other areas of healthcare, such as laboratories, to help protect workers from hazardous materials. Proper use and disposal of PPE is essential for the safety and health of everyone in the healthcare setting. Medical consumables. Medical consumables, more commonly known as healthcare supplies, are an essential part of the healthcare industry. These supplies are used in a variety of ways, ranging from preventing and diagnosing illnesses to assisting with treatment. Examples of medical consumables include bandages, bags, syringes, gauze, surgical masks and gowns, and laboratory reagents. These supplies are vital to the successful operation of healthcare facilities, as they enable medical professionals to provide the best possible care to their patients. Medical consumables are typically purchased from specialized suppliers, who specialize in healthcare supplies, and often come in bulk. Diagnostic equipment. Diagnostic equipment is vital for healthcare providers to accurately diagnose and treat patients. These supplies are used to detect and evaluate health conditions and diseases. Diagnostic equipment includes laboratory testing supplies, imaging equipment, and other medical devices. These tools provide an essential service for the accurate diagnosis and treatment of diseases and medical conditions. From X-rays to ultrasounds, diagnostic equipment has advanced over the years, allowing medical professionals to more accurately detect and diagnose medical conditions. By using these diagnostic tools, healthcare providers can provide superior patient care and improve outcomes. Treatment equipment. Healthcare supplies are an essential part of providing adequate medical treatment. They can include a variety of items, such as medical equipment, bandages, syringes, dressings, medications, and other items needed for patient care. Healthcare supplies are used in hospitals, doctors' offices, clinics, and in the home to help patients receive the best possible care. The availability of quality healthcare supplies can be a determining factor in the success of a patient's treatment. By having access to the necessary supplies, medical professionals can make sure that their patients are receiving the most effective care possible. Laboratory supplies. Laboratory supplies are essential to the healthcare industry, providing the tools necessary to diagnose, treat, and prevent diseases. From medical and clinical laboratories to research and industrial laboratories, laboratory supplies are necessary to carry out a wide range of tests, experiments, and procedures. These supplies include chemicals, equipment, instruments, and other materials used in the collection, analysis, and preparation of samples. This can range from simple items such as petri dishes and pipettes to complex items such as centrifuges, spectrophotometers, and chromatographs. Healthcare supplies such as gloves, masks, and gowns are also necessary for laboratory work, helping to protect the people working in the laboratory from potential contaminants or hazards. Regulatory compliance. Regulatory compliance is an important factor in the healthcare supplies industry. Companies must adhere to all applicable regulations and laws to ensure that their products are safe and effective for use in medical settings. Compliance with all applicable standards is essential for the health, safety, and well-being of consumers. Companies must be sure to have the necessary certifications and documentation to prove that their products meet the highest standards for safety and quality. They must also have processes in place to ensure that their products are manufactured and distributed in accordance with regulatory requirements. Companies must stay up to date on changes in the regulations and laws governing their products, as well as any new requirements that must be met. Failing to comply with these regulations can lead to fines, legal action, and possibly the loss of the company's license. Supply chain management. Supply chain management in healthcare is a critical component of providing quality care. The supply chain must be able to quickly and efficiently source, procure, store and deliver medical supplies to healthcare providers. This is especially important in times of emergency, when resources and supplies may be in short supply. To ensure the efficient and timely delivery of medical supplies, healthcare providers must have a well-coordinated supply chain that is supported by reliable suppliers, effective logistics and accurate inventory management. By leveraging technology and data to optimize the supply chain, healthcare providers can ensure that their patients receive the right supplies at the right time.